Howdy y'all, Trent again with 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. It is freezing! And the one thing that warms my heart the most on a freezing evening in Texas is finishing up a truck. What we did is we took ourselves a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Nary but 10,000 miles on it. We put a 3-inch suspension lift on it, and I wanted to take a minute to showcase it to y'all. I don't have my gimbal, so I'm gonna shake it all around because I'm so excited. We're gonna get real low. One thing about putting a lift on these Tacomas that gets me all soppy is that aggressive look that it gets when you put those big old tires. We did upgrade the tires. We went with the Cooper Discoverer ST Max. Get real close on it. Get real close. 285, 75, 16. We stuck with factory wheels. What we did was we put a little bit of a wheel spacer on it. I'm just gonna pan all around. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pan all around. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. Try not to shake you out of the video. I'm not using my gimbal. Sometimes I'll use a gimbal to keep it smooth, keep it easy. I didn't this time because A, it's freezing. It's cold in Texas. It was like 7 degrees this morning. I'm gonna get a good close up of the front. So it warms my heart to see this wonderful vehicle. Look at how gorgeous it is. 2017 Toyota Tacoma 3-inch lift spacers. New tire package, Cooper Discoverer. Looking very good. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna hop back in before my ears fall off. If you've got a Toyota, a truck, a Jeep, a vehicle, it's got 4 wheels and a steering wheel, you wanna make it better, give me Trent a call, 469-424-0028. Come on by to see me in McKinney. Hopefully it'll be warm by the time you get here. Check me out online, 4x4works.com. Check out all my other YouTube videos, they're fantastic. Click the like button. Let YouTube know that you were enjoying this video and all these other videos. And stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching.